In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Evidian Password Vault to store your application passwords. I will show you how to add an application to your password vault, how to copy and paste your login password to your application, and how to generate automatically a complex password from the password vault. First of all, go to the application login screen you wish to add to your password vault. Open your Password Vault application and click on the Add Application icon in the menu bar. Drag and drop the target icon to the target application window to identify the application. After you have named your application, click on Continue and register your login and password to the application. Now right-click on the application from the Password Vault, click on Copy the login, and paste it on the identifier field of the application you wish to log on to. When I click in the password field, a shortcut to my password vault appears. Click on My Passwords and then right-click again on the corresponding application to select the Copy Password action. Paste it in the password field and then log in to your application. Whether you are adding an application on Chrome or Edge or Internet Explorer, the method to detect the authentication screen is the same. The password vault can also help you generate complex passwords when you wish to change a password to an application. This must be done manually from the vault and pasted in the Change Password field. From your newly created application, go to the password change screen. Inject the current password in the corresponding field. In order to generate a new password, in the menu bar at the top of the password vault, click on Properties. A reauthentication using an authentication method available to the user is required. The application modification window appears. Click on the password generation icon. A new complex password has been generated. Now I'll simply copy and paste it to the corresponding field and validate my password reset. Then I'll click OK in the application modification window. My password has been successfully modified. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to use the Evidian Password Vault to store application credentials.